haven't recorded in so long, but welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a skincare makeup video and like just a sit and chat kind of thing. And as you can see, this is a new setting and I'm really excited. Let's get to it. I normally don't do my makeup every single day, but I feel like today I just want to do my makeup just cause. So let's get started. My skin is breaking out really bad. It's really dry down here. I have a pimple right there too. All right, so what I'm going to be using first is my Thayer's Natural Remedies Facial Toner Witch Hazel. So I will be using this and I put it on a cotton ball and I just rub it all over my face. And I do my neck also, just cause. So after I use this, I use the Mario. I love the rose water one, and I just spray it. Immediately after I do that, I get my Ordinary little bottles and the hyaluronic acid one, and I get 2 drops. And then I get the nice, I don't know how to say it, but 2 drops of that. And then I get the Buffet. And then I use CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I use my Gua Sha. And I've realized that after using this, my skin looks so nice. That's my skincare. So I think I'm gonna go for like an all natural kind of look. So I don't think I'm gonna go crazy because I'm gonna have like a, you know, a regular day. I do have to do like some grocery shopping. I still haven't eaten breakfast and it's 10. All right, so I haven't done my makeup in a long time. We're gonna start with primer, Hangover by Too Faced. So I got it as a gift for either Christmas or my birthday. I will be putting this all over my face. And since I'm not really gonna be doing anything crazy, I'll probably just do my eyeliner because, yeah. So I'll be using the Skinny from Revlon. Skinny. They're not twins, okay? They're sisters. We're gonna go with concealer. So I will be using my Instant Age Eraser. I don't know if it's just me, but when I'm doing my makeup, I don't really like talking, which is so weird because you know how these makeup artists and have like, they like talk all the time? How? I just like staying in my head for some reason. But that might just be me in general. I have a lot of acne. So yeah, I look so crazy right now. I'm gonna use my Patrick Star and I'll just start blending. But yeah, I recently moved out. I am so happy and grateful that I have found a place to live in this time too, where I live in New York, so the rent is so high. You know, like we're not all making enough to pay just rent. I moved out on my own. Like I don't have a roommate. I don't have anybody like supporting me. It's just me. So I'm so happy that I am able to move out, be self-sufficient, and being able to just be on my own, not having to worry about roommates. So I am so happy that I moved out, and I've been looking for over like a year and a half. It's crazy how long that I've been doing this, and it just feels so surreal to actually be able to be on my own. I had been living in a room. The apartment that I was living in was It was not great, but it was all that I had and could afford. So I was there for like over a year. I had moved in with my brother, then my brother left. I had to figure everything out on my own, and it felt really scary at first because I felt very alone. I figured it out. I mean, as a female, you're going to feel fear regardless. The person that I was renting out the room had like scared me a couple times, which I should not have, because he like entered my room when I was there and I was like, what the hell is going on? He never did that when my brother was there. I was like so scared that I got a camera because like I don't know what this person is doing in my room and what the intention was, but it seemed like he was doing it for a while when I figured it out when he came into my room. But yeah, so I got a camera, and then his daughter got upset that I got a camera because I put it outside of the room. At one point I like started hearing like noises, but I think it was just the dog that was there. But I was too scared, so I put the camera outside of my room. She was upset that I put a camera. Then she wanted to change the room that I was in because she upcharged me. So I was paying like $400 for the room, right? And that was like what my brother and the guy agreed on. And then she was like, yeah, no, that's not how much it was. It was $400 for the small room, because it's like 2 parts to the room. So there's a big room and then there's a little office onto the side. So she was like, oh, for that little room the office was supposed to be $400. And I was like really confused, like why would I pay $400 for like a tiny little space? It was like a little office, and she wanted to move someone in. There was no door. What kind of fucking thing was that? Like, I don't get it. Who in their right mind would do that to someone? So then I got the camera. Then there was a whole argument about how much rent I had to pay. She was like, oh, so if you don't want to pay the $700, move to the other room. Is a smaller room, and there you can pay $400. And I was like, I'm not doing that. What the hell? Like, none of my stuff was gonna fit in that room. I started paying $700 for the room. She was happy about that. So it's not like I couldn't afford it. It's just that when my brother was in the other room, like he lived in the room and then I lived into the office, we both were paying $300 a month. Then after he moved out, he had agreed $400 with the man. Then that woman was trying to upcharge me. So I ended up paying $700 just so that I could have some space and a place to live. She would get mad at me for absolutely no reason, bro. Like, I don't understand this woman. She wanted me to say hi and bye to that man every single time, and I was like this guy is not my family. Like, what is going on? And then she was upset that I wasn't sleeping every single day in that room. Like, I would go to my boyfriend's for like a whole week just because I don't want to be there. But that's not her problem. I'm paying $700 a month. Like, let me live my life. But yeah, so I was very upset, very uncomfortable in that room, in that space. And I just didn't know what to do. And I kept asking my friend, her dad is the super. So I kept asking her every single month, like, oh, is there an apartment like available so I can move out? I want to get out of here so bad. And she's like, nah, there's nobody yet. I'll let you know. I started working at a new job, and then I got paid a little more. And then I could look at like a higher kind of budget. Then my friend told me about a small apartment that was available, and at first she was like, yeah, I don't think you're gonna want that one, so we'll just wait for something else. And so I was like, all right, I'll just wait and stuff. Forgot. I'm just gonna start using foundation. I'm not really sure what my shade is at the moment because I feel like I lost a lot of my pigment due to the winter. I kind of mix between two because my skin's kind of combination, and this, I love the finish of the Too Faced Born This Way, but it's so drying. I mix it with the Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. I feel like these two put together are just perfect. So I'm using the shade Natural Beige on both of them. So I'm gonna take like 2 pumps and then 2 pumps. It's not a pump, but if I need to go a little darker, I do have another foundation that's a little darker. So that's a plus on my side. Then I'm gonna use Squidward. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on my face. So I don't remember where I was at, but yeah, so my friend was telling me about this apartment. I was like, all right, so I'll just wait since you think it's too small. So I was waiting, and then at one point I was like tired of waiting, I think, because I was like, yeah, I can definitely do it, you know, like just like let me know. She told me to call her dad, and if you know me, I don't do phone calls. It gives me anxiety. So to know that I was willing to call him, he took me very serious. We looked at the apartment. I fell in love with the first one. There was 2 available. So I fell in love with the first one, and I was like, this is the one. I want it so bad. And I was shitting bricks because I just recently got a new job. So they were asking me like, oh, for how long have you been working at your current job? And I was like, oh my God, they're gonna be like, she just started, why would we accept her and whatever. I applied for the apartment. They said that they would call me in a day or 2. For those 2 days, I was stressed. I was like, oh my God, what if they don't accept me? Like, I really want this apartment. Like, I think it's perfect for me. I was like so scared. They didn't call me, by the way. By the second day, my friend's dad got the phone call and was like, yeah, she got approved. She just needs to sign the lease and all this. And I was so happy. I was so happy. I was like, I'm finally moving out on my own, and I can be on my own. I'm self-sufficient. I signed the lease and everything goes well. I got the keys, and then I was like, I want to move out in one day, like just one day. I use this natural shade. I got this a long time ago, and I still have it. I love how this works. I don't see it anymore, so I got it at the official like elf store, but they closed it down. So I'd apply this all over my face. After this, I use the Airspun loose powder. I love how this smells. And everyone hates it. I don't get it. It smells so good. I had my friend help me, my boyfriend helped me, and then we went out to eat at Yard House. The food was great. I love Yard House, and I love their drinks. Everything worked out though. I feel very grateful to have gone through this journey. I feel like I manifested this apartment. I prayed for it. Like, I really wanted to get out of that situation. I wasn't happy where I was. Just wanted to get my shit together. And now here we are. I'm happy. I'm healthy. Trying to grow as an individual. Okay, so when I do this, I do my eyebrows and my mascara because nothing be getting on this. It's really great. Oh, got it on my pants. So I use Anastasia Dark Brown Deep Brow Pomegranate something. Pomade. I want to do like a apartment tour soon, but I still haven't gotten things. I just recently moved. I don't have Wi-Fi either, so I've been really not suffering. I've been focused more on trying to get things for the apartment that I really need. This is just a lot of shopping, you know? This is my absolute favorite mascara. Bro, this mascara is fucking amazing, bro. So I'm gonna use from the BFF by Alondra and Elsie palette, the You're My Person. I'll do like the sick look, so I put blush on my nose. This is definitely not a blush brush, but I use it for this. I love blush, bro. Give me more blush. Okay, bronzer. Now I use the Bahama Mama in the shade, I don't know. This, I've had it for years, bro. Years. Setting spray. Come on. This is a new one that I just got. So I spray this first and then I add my highlight. That smells really good. Yes, this is from the Shane Dawson collection, right? Don't come at me. I love that man. I don't care if you guys cancel him. I love that man. He's mad funny. Now we're gonna do a highlight. I love this Juvia's Place, the heroine. This will last you a lifetime. Look at how much is in here, bro. I use this brush by Tarte. I just tap it a little bit, take out as much as I need. They have the worst packaging. That shit makes that weird noise and it gives you the heebie-jeebies. I might have put too much. Let's take this down. And that's all, folks. I feel like I just need to like fix my hair a little bit more, but that's the final look. I said I was gonna do like a very simple all natural, but it don't look like it. It looks like I'm going to a party or something. Okay, my hair is done. Looks a little better, a little more refreshed. This is the outfit. I have my Mac Miller t-shirt, and then I have my high-waisted skinny jeans. They're ripped and they're from H&M. That's it. And that's the look. Really excited to do basic work stuff, as in I need to cook. But thank you for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. There's going to be a lot more videos, so stay tuned. Peace out.